Here are 3 reasons why we think our interactive virtual workshop is going to be awesome. Hi, my name is Ryan Stoyer. I'm the Executive Director of Magnify Learning. We're a nonprofit organization that thinks that project-based learning is awesome because we've seen it do great things with youth. Here are 3 reasons why we're really excited about our interactive virtual workshops. Number 1 is that we're learning project-based learning while we're learning e-learning. And we're learning e-learning while we're learning project-based learning. What happened was, as we ran participants through this workshop, yes, this isn't theory for us right now. We didn't just make this up. Like, we have participants that have gone through this process, and what they told us was, we thought we were going to learn about project-based learning. We did. What happened was, we ended up also learning about e-learning, and we know how to use that with our youth now. If you think about it, there's a big difference between taking an e-learning course, where you might learn some theory and some ideas, versus being in an e-learning virtual environment while you're trying to learn something else. So let me give you an example. An e-learning course will tell you that Zoom has breakout rooms, and those are a really neat thing to use. That's totally different than being in the breakout rooms in Zoom with a purpose and a project that you're working on to interact with folks. Like, you're learning so much deeper. So we're doing project-based learning and learning e-learning at the same time. You still get all the same outcomes. Your youth workers come away with a PBL project that they can use in their specific programs. Your staff will interact with each other and build culture, and you get to interact with our PBL certified facilitators, like one-on-one via Zoom and also in group dynamics. The second reason we're really excited about this virtual interactive option is that all the tools that we're going to use with your staff are tools that you can use right away as soon as the workshop's done. And they'll be free for you, right? So what we did not do is we didn't find a fancy software for e-learning that cost you $20 a youth. What we did do is we took a bunch of different applications that work together and show you how you can, at no cost, create an e-learning environment with your youth. So it will work for you. The third thing that we're really excited about is that the web sessions that are in this course are available to you for a full year, which means you'll have a core group that go really deep with PBL, and then we coach them and walk them through it. And then as you have turnover, because you're going to have turnover, some of it's good, you're graduating people out, whatever that looks like, you have these web sessions that you can take your new hires through for the whole year. However many you have, just take them through the web sessions. And what happens is yeah, they learn about PBL, but they also start to learn the cultural pieces that the rest of your staff understand and already feel. So your new hires can come into your culture and just jump right in. Wouldn't that be awesome? So those are the 3 reasons why we're really excited about this interactive workshop. And it all really boils down to that we took after-school youth workers, program directors, through the workshop, the interactive piece, and they loved it. And they came out saying, wow, I did get to interact with your trainers. I did get to interact with the other youth workers. And now I can apply this to my youth program, the PBL and the e-learning portions. Isn't that exciting? It's super exciting. So the next steps to take a look is figure out which level you might want to engage in one of these in. So we have an open workshop option where you can do it virtually as an individual. You can also do it as a program where you get those web sessions for the whole year. So go to the website, click on Afterschool. So it's magnifylearning.org, or just go to Google and put in Magnify Learning, and you find the Afterschool tab. And when you click on there, you're going to see those options. Find one that works and fits for you, because we want it to fit the work you're doing. You're doing great work with youth. And as you do that, you will engage your learners, tackle boredom, and transform your program.